There are flowers, there are bees, blue rivers and green trees. They rumble, they sway and they buzz when the touch of cool breeze falls on our tender skin. We know Mother Nature's calling out to us. Mother Nature, we care. Mother Nature, we share all the bounties of love that you give. We will keep our rivers clean, care for the ground beneath our feet. Mother Nature, our promise we will keep. There are creatures big and small, some can fly and some can crawl. With nature they all live in peace. The hummingbirds on the tree, the school of fish in the seas. The wonders of nature I can see. Mother Nature, we care. Mother Nature, we share all the bounties of love that you give. We will keep our rivers clean, care for the ground beneath our feet. Mother Nature, our promise we will keep. Mother Nature, we care for you. 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 Wish you all a very World Happy Environment Day. Plant more trees and save our earth, and please don't make pollution and save our planet Earth. Thank you. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to see more new videos. And those are even more fun videos. Bye-bye.